Hello everyone, now we are continuing 3.3 here. So in this we have to complete the sphere. Complete the sphere means we will form a term they have a whole sphere. The question is solve x square minus 16x plus 64 equals to 100 using the square root. So we have to use a square root to solve this question. What I will do in the left side, if I see it is of the form x minus 8 whole square is equals to 100. As I'm looking for the value of x, so I will here remove the square root. So remove the square. How I will remove? Take the square root both sides. Whenever we take square root, one answer is positive and one answer is negative. The square root of 100 is 10, x minus 8. So I will get x equals to 8 plus minus 10. This is 8 plus 10 and 8 minus 10. It is 18 and negative 2. These are the answers. Next, find the value of c for which that makes x square plus 14x plus c a perfect square trinomial. So we have to form in a proper whole square, a term having a whole square, that term. So how to do that? X square plus 14x. What you have to add? We need half and the square. Half of the 14 is 7. So I have to add 7 square. Then it forms a square plus 2ab plus b square. X plus 7 whole square. So what should we see? C is 49. Don't say 7. C is 49. Okay? Alright. Next is, it says solve by completing square. We will keep the terms contain x in one side. I am shifting the constant term to the other side. What's the next process? You have to take half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is negative 10. If I take its half, it becomes 5, negative 5. The square of negative 5 is 25. So I add 25 on both sides. This forms x plus 5 whole square. And when you solve this, you will get 18. Now remove the square. If I remove, I will get a positive and a negative square root of 18. Square root of 18 means it's a 9 2's 18. 9 can be written as a 3 root. 9 can be written as a 3 square. So it's plus minus 3 square root 2. X plus 5. So what are the two possible answers? X can be negative 5 plus 3 root 2, or x can be negative 5 negative 3 root 2. Next. Now, what is the difference between this question and this question? Both are asking for completing the square. But in the first, you can see the coefficient of x square was a 1. But here coefficient of x square is not 1. We have to make coefficient of x square 1. Then we can apply the concept of half of the square, and add both sides. Okay. So I will do 3x square plus 12x. I'm shifting the constant term to the other side. Now to make the coefficient 1, I divide by 3. So x square plus 4x negative 5. Which term I have to add both sides? Half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 4. So divide by 2, it's 2. Square 2. Square. So I add 2 square both sides. This is x plus 2 whole square. And what's this? Negative 5 plus 4. So negative 1 here, and that is x plus 2 whole square. We are familiar with the word square root of a negative. Plus minus square root of negative. X is equals to negative 2 plus minus. What is this? This is outside is a plus minus. Okay. What is the square root of negative 1? I. The square root of negative 1 is I. So I'm getting the answer is minus 2 plus minus I. This is the answer. Okay. Next. It says write in the vertex form, then identify the vertex. Vertex form is same as we complete the square. Because what is this? Y equals to a x minus 8 square plus b. That is the vertex form, and here we complete the square as well. So let's see. I'm shifting 18 to the other side. X square minus 12x. Now, what you have to add? 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. So I will add 6 square both sides. I'm adding 6 square both sides. Y minus 18. 6 square is 36. X square. Or you can directly write. What is this? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square. And this is y plus 18. So can you rewrite it? It is a x plus 6 whole square minus 18. So what is the vertex? Vertex is 6 comma negative 8. Done? Alright. So next question is the height y in feet of a baseball t seconds after it hit can be modeled by the function. So whenever we hit something, it forms a parabolic path. Like it will go up and then comes down. Whenever it go up and then down, it will attain some maximum height. So that's the what we this is the same thing we have to calculate here, maximum height. And whenever a shape is like this, the maximum height is vertex. So indirectly question is asking to calculate the vertex in this equation. Vertex of parabola. Even if you draw, if something is dropped, it's like this. If there's another particle follow this path, it will contain a minimum value. Same, we will again find vertex in this case. Okay, let's start. First it says maximum height, then it says how long does the ball take to hit the ground. So basically it is asking for the t value and this is asking for y value. When we calculate the vertex, we get a coordinate x comma y. In this case, the coordinate will be t comma y. So A part is asking for the y, B part is asking for t. So basically we have to calculate the vertex. Started. I'm shifting 3 to the left side. It's negative 16t square plus 9060. So I told you the coefficient should be 1. Then we can apply completing the square formula. I took negative 16 out. If I took negative 16 out, t square left, 16 6 are. So negative 60. Alright. Negative 6 here. What I have to add and subtract, or you can say what I have to add on both sides. 6 by 2, 3. I will add 3 square and I will add 3 square on other side as well. But because negative 16 was multiplied outside, so that 3 square that I multiply on the right side will also multiply by negative 16. Okay. So y minus 3 as it is. Here I add 3 square. No doubt here I have to add 3 square also. But because negative 16 was outside, so I have to take this minus 16. So negative 16, what is this? T minus 3 whole square. And this is y minus 3, 9 into 16. It's a 144 and it become 147. So can you guess what is the vertex? The vertex, let's rewrite it. Negative 16 t minus 3 whole square plus 147. So the vertex is 3, 147. This is the time and this is the height. It will attain 147. What are the units here? Feet. So the maximum height is 147 feet. Maximum height is 147 feet. Then it says what's the total time take to that? How long does it take? So we take 3 seconds. These are in seconds. Yeah, time in seconds. They give you time in seconds. So it took 3 seconds. It takes 3 seconds. Alright, so done. We complete 3.3 chapter as well. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask and we will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching.